Hey everyone, Fergus here from Irish Scent Guy. Just doing a quick video because I got postage in and I have a feeling I know what it is. And it is. So this is an unboxing of our latest Scentsy Buddy, which is Simba. Just in time for the Lion King. And here we go, and we have the scent pack as well. Now unfortunately the scent pack has sold out. But this is Circle of Life. I'm looking forward to trying. I must admit the Disney Scentsy Buddies are fantastic so far, and I haven't got all of them. There's a few now I wish I'd got, but they've sold out. The other new releases, actually, there was new releases recently of Woody and Buzz Lightyear, just for Toy Story, coming out. I don't have those either, but I do have Olaf that I got last year. I think it was last year. That was quite nice. Oh, isn't he adorable? And he's quite big. Oh, and his little tuft of hair. Oh, I just love the colour of him. And he's just so soft. So, oh my god, the legs. Oh, isn't he gorgeous? Okay, oh, and his eyes. Oh, wow. Look at the detail. Isn't he amazing? He just can't wait to be king. Right, let's put the scent pack inside him. So as always, we've the zip at the back, and you put your scent pack in there. Oh, might need the scissors for this. Do I have the scissors nearby? Of course I don't. Oh well. When scissors aren't around, let's see if I can... Yeah, there we go. Oh, this smells slightly different again. This real foodie smell. Okay. So we'll just stick in our scent pack into Simba. Oh, and I have the Stitch as well over there. He's a lovely big one as well. But yeah, this is Simba, our newest buddy. I like him. I like him a lot. This is one for keeps. I still have, I'll just get it quickly out of the way. I have our Mickey Mouse buddy as well. So just so you can see the size, they're quite big. Mickey is probably slightly bit taller. Yay! Very happy with this. Oh, and he's just so soft. Oh, I'm in awe of this one. Really like him. I'm so glad I got him. I am so glad. Oh. So I think he's still available while stocks last. These Disney Scentsy Buddies, they seem to go flying out the door. Like Dumbo didn't last too long. Unfortunately, I didn't get him on time. The Timon and Pumbaa buddy clips sold out in a day, so they're gone. So you can still get Simba, but as I said, the scent pack is gone, but you can get Simba. The bar you can get in the bundle with Simba, or if you're a Scentsy Club member, you can add it to your Scentsy Club subscription. So that's another great way to get these limited edition bars, because once they're gone. But if they're in your Scentsy Club, you've got that perk of always get my bar. Sorry, I just can't even put him down. Maybe you'll be coming to bed tonight rather than staying up here. That'd be nice. So I have Olaf downstairs in the bed. I've also got Pookie, who's a buddy from, oh gosh, the first year I was a Scentsy consultant. So I have Pookie since December 2011. Wow, I'm a Scentsy consultant a long time now. So yeah, and next month we're off to Amsterdam for the Scentsy family reunion, which is entitled No Limits. So I'll be making a few videos of my trip to Amsterdam. A few of us are going over a couple of days early just to do a few touristy things. So I booked into the Van Gogh Museum, the Anne Frank House, the Rijksmuseum, doing a canal cruise. We're doing an ice bar visit. So yeah, it should be a lot of fun. So I'm looking forward to getting a lot of walking done as well while I'm over there, just to try and build up some extra body magic for anybody who's following the Slimming World plan. So yeah, crikey, I still cannot just get out over how unbelievably cute this buddy is. Oh my god, I think you're one of my favorites so far. Really, oh, and he's so soft, so soft. Yeah, have to get your hands on one of these, you really do. And let's see, I have another couple of videos coming up soon, I'm hoping. So a few other announcements. So Bring Back My Bar, those are out while stocks last. So these were bars that customers have voted for to come back. They're discontinued bars, so to bring them back into Scentsy just for a very limited time. Again, this is another fantastic opportunity if you have your Scentsy Club subscription, because these bars, when they're discontinued, they're not always guaranteed to come back. So by having it in your Scentsy subscription, you have that option to always get my bar. So there's a few in there that are coming back that I want to add into my subscription. So some of my favorites, such as White Jasmine and Vetiver, and the White Tea and Cactus, and that used to be like a staple of our catalogues up until maybe a couple of years ago, but when I first joined, it had been in every single catalogue and it was like a staple, so I never really stocked up on it, and then it went and I was like sad. And to me, that one always smelled like kind of posh hotel soap, and I just love the smell of it. Simply Lemon is coming back as well. I'm really excited about that. There's a lovely recipe where you can mix French lavender with Simply Lemon, and it just makes a lovely lemon lavender fragrance. What other fragrances am I excited? Oh, Aloes Wood is coming back, so that's another nice manly smell. Looking forward to getting that one back. So I think I have the makings of possibly a 6-pack of wax for some of the returning favorites, and of course then I've wanted to probably add in the Circle of Life wax into my Scentsy Club, and also Woody's wax from Toy Story. That one sounded really nice as well. It sounded, there was kind of hints of vanilla in it and stuff, so I love any kind of vanilla scents. This is I think from what I remember of reading of the description, there may be vanilla in this one, which is probably why I like this one as well. So yeah, that's all coming up soon, so you expect to see a few travel videos. As you can see, I'm back on the Irish Scent Guy YouTube channel. I had stupidly forgotten what email address I had used to set up the channel, and so I couldn't even do a password reset, but I finally, after trawling through notebooks and stuff, I came across the email address, so we're back on. I had for the last month or so, or maybe couple of months, actually it's been a bit more, because I was doing it since I was doing the Scentsy Whiff Box unboxings. So I'd been using my own personal channel, but now I'm back on this channel, so yay for that. So yeah, looking forward now to vlogging from Amsterdam. We'll be probably up in Dublin the day before, so we're flying out on the 14th of August. So I'll be leaving Dad here at home and heading off, and then we're over there for the Wednesday, the Thursday sightseeing, and then the family reunion is on the Friday and the Saturday, and then coming home on the Sunday, and then I've booked Monday off work just to recover, because I'd say I'll be wrecked after 4 days of Scentsy madness. So I'm really looking forward to that. Looking forward to trying on the new t-shirts. This year I've made it my goal to try and fit into an extra large t-shirt, so still have a couple of weeks to go, 3 to 4 weeks to go to try and fit into that a bit better. Last year, just to give a kind of a heads up, so last year's family reunion I was in a 3XL t-shirt, so the journey is coming along slowly but surely, but yeah, I'm quite close now to the 4 stone mark, so I'm really happy about that. I had hit the 4 stone mark back in February, March, and yeah, took a few steps backwards. So this particular stone bracket I have been struggling with trying to get out of it, but yeah, all on the right afoot now, so hopefully by the time I head off to Amsterdam and I'm trying to plan what I'm going to be eating or what kind of things I can bring with me, so yeah, a lot of detail now in the travel. I'm off again as well next weekend, heading up to Knox, so I might even do a quick vlog up there. I'm not sure just yet. Again, planning treats and stuff and what I can have for breakfast and what I can have for lunch. So if you're following Slimming World, you probably know like there's a lot of planning involved, but it is so worth it. Absolutely so worth it. Let's see what else is coming up. So August is transition month. So that's when, as Scentsy consultants, we can get the new catalogues, we can get the new testers for the coming season starting in September, and there's also usually the 10% off most items in the catalogue, so it's a great time again to stock up on your favourite products. And we'll also have the discontinued items, so we'll be moving into the autumn winter products starting in September, so any of the spring summer favourites that you have, August will be the time to get them, especially when there's that 10% off. And again, if they just because they get discontinued or they're seasonal doesn't necessarily mean that they will come back next spring summer. So if there is anything you like in there, again, take advantage of Scentsy Club. I do it myself. I have some, like I think in region 1 of my favorite scents got discontinued over there, and I wasn't taking any chances. So before it was removed from the catalogue this year, because I can't guarantee it'll come back in September, I added it to my Scentsy Club, and that was my frosted ginger cookie, and to me that is the ultimate smell of Christmas. Even there was one day I had it on and Dad had come downstairs after getting up and he thought I'd been baking, and he was a bit disappointed when he found out it was just Scentsy wax and I hadn't been baking. But yeah, that's one of my all-time favorite Christmas scents, so I have that in my Scentsy Club. There was the Aladdin waxes I added into the Scentsy Club just because they're gone now as well, and there was a lot of those ones I really liked. Some of them now were a little bit light, so I might just vary up the Scentsy Club a little bit, maybe swap some of them out for the Lion King. I've yet to smell Woody's wax, but I have it added into the Scentsy Club just to try it out. Like, as I said, if it's something I'm not a fan of or if it's too light for my tastes, I can always take it out of Scentsy Club. With Scentsy Club, if it is a discontinued wax, once you remove it, that's gone. You can't put it back in again. So be very sure if you are removing things from your Scentsy Club. And again, the benefit with Scentsy Club, you can schedule your shipment, so you could have it coming every month, every second month, every 3 months. So I have couple of 6-packs of wax coming every 3 months, so that kind of sets me up and keeps me going for a while. But yeah, I'd probably add like another 6-pack or so coming because of these Bring Back My bars. I'm still patiently waiting to see if Happy Birthday will come back. It came back in the very first Bring Back My bar, but Scentsy Club wasn't around then, so I want to get Happy Birthday into my Scentsy Club, and My Dear Watson and Vanilla Oud. So they're kind of 3 on my list. I think there's another 1 or 2 that I'm forgetting, but yeah, absolutely they are my favorites. And then from the current catalogue, my absolute favorite is Southern Evening. So if any of you have ever smelled Victor and Rolf Spice Bomb, this smells so similar and I just absolutely love it. So I'm going to let you off for now. Say bye from me, bye from Simba, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye.